How's it going today, everybody? Well, welcome back to the Beast. This is the one-stop shop for your engine needs. Today I'm rebuilding a Chevy 350. I've been tearing it down for the last hour, and then I've been using this monster grinder on cleaning it up some. Got halfway there. Got a head here. This head's all unbolted and ready to take off. I'm thinking about making a full video on the engine rebuild. So if you guys would like to see that, please like and subscribe. And once I get it all loaded up, you guys will get to see how to rebuild a Chevy 350 start to finish in one place. I do all the engine cleaning. I do pretty much everything on the engines here in this little shop of mine. And the engine that it's in, the car that the engine's in, is a 78 Camaro. It's on a 1-ton axles, a 96 Suburban frame. This is going to be an awesome little plow truck. Hopefully here in about 2 weeks we'll be finished. We were just going to slap it together and drive it out, but once I started looking at the motor, man, it was gunked up. It had inches thick of grease and oil along the motor. As you can tell, where I couldn't reach, it's still pretty filthy. It's like, how could someone neglect a motor like that? It was donated, so I can't complain. First thing I ever had donated to me, and I gotta rip it apart and rebuild it, but I'm fine with that. It's gonna be a good runner when it's finished. So yeah, if you guys like what you see, and if you want to see the motor rebuild video, please like and subscribe, and it should be uploaded here in about 3 or 4 days. I'll be building it every night after work. Have a good day.